There.
Keep on going. I ain't good. No, you good. Wow. Look, just carry it like that. No. Yes, you can. You've only carried it for like 10 feet.
Oh my gosh. This is a man's job.
Yeah, but it's not heavy. Get after it. Oh, she encountered an obstacle. Bear, go open the gate.
No,
Open the gate.
I'm not kidding.
You are almost there.
No, you gotta get it because it's gonna cut my legs if I drop it. It's gonna scrape the front of my legs. I'm out of breath. Get the thing.
We'll go get the small one then.
Quit.
Go get the itty bitty one.
Let's go.